Welcome to MDC Learning, Standard TY BCom, Subject Computer Education. Hello students, in this subject we are going to learn Advanced Excel. Last year you already studied Excel, but before proceeding further, in coming few videos we'll revise the basic concepts of Excel. So today we'll have the brief introduction of Excel. You know, Excel is a spreadsheet program mainly used for calculation and accounting, and it lets you store, organize and analyze information. Excel is a part of MS Office package of Microsoft. To start Excel, you have to go to Start, then All Programs, then MS Office, and then finally click on Microsoft Excel. In this way you can open the Excel window, or you can double click on the Excel icon and open the Excel window. Now you can see here Excel window layout. Here is File tab. Then you can see the Quick Access toolbar. This is ribbon which contains all the menus like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formula, etc. Then you have various commands. Then you have dialog box launcher. Then here is title bar. Here you can see the help icon. When you press F1, it will open the help. Then this is your worksheet area. Here you can type your data. Then these are column headers. These are row numbers. Then you have the worksheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 in one workbook. Then this is status bar. These are your view buttons. This is your zoom slider. This is scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, and this is horizontal scroll bar. This is your formula bar. Now we'll see this in bit detail. When you see the Quick Access toolbar, it is used mostly for frequently used commands. Then your ribbon contains the commands organized in 3 components: tabs, groups and commands. Then title bar. This slides at the top of the window. As I showed you, this shows the program and sheet title. Then help icon is used to get the Excel help. Anytime you can press F1 and get the help on Excel. The zoom control lets you zoom in for closer look. With the help of slider you can zoom in or zoom out. Then view buttons. These 3 buttons are located near zoom control for various sheet views. They are normal layout view, page layout view and page break view. Then sheet area, it is where you enter your data, as I showed you. Here flashing vertical bar is called a insertion point. In Excel, rows are numbered from 1 onwards and keep increasing as you keep entering the data. Maximum limit is 10,48,576 rows. That means Excel 2010 has 10,48,576 rows in maximum. Then columns are numbered from A onwards and keep increasing as you keep entering the data. After that, it will start the series of AA, AB and so on. Maximum limit is 16,384. That is, it comes out to be XFD in words. So you have maximum of 16,384 columns in MS Excel 2010. Then status bar. This displays the sheet information such as total number of pages, word in document, how many words are there, language, etc. Also it displays the insertion point location. That means where your cursor is. Then dialog box launcher. This appears as a very small arrow in the lower right corner of many groups on the ribbon. Clicking this button opens a dialog box or a task pane that provides more options about the group. Also, you know that by default there are 3 worksheets in one workbook, but you can add extra worksheet if you want. So that was introduction to Excel. Now we have revised Excel screen layout. In coming videos we'll learn some more basic things about Excel. Thank you.